Right here I have this 224 piece kit. This is gonna be stainless steel, and that is really gonna help keep everything rust free. So these are gonna be hex head bolts, and you get a ton of different sizes on here, and you get the nuts as well. They thread on here super easy. Something like this is gonna be absolutely perfect and a necessity just to have in your garage or around the house, especially if you're a DIYer or you like to work in your garage and do any type of custom work. This stuff just comes in handy. I can't tell you how many times I ran into the issue where I've needed stuff like this and you gotta run out to the hardware store. We're gonna have washers in here. These washers are actually pretty thick. Sometimes in kits you'll see them that are like really thin and they kind of just like are flimsy. These are actually pretty durable, and I do like that because sometimes with projects and custom work you got to stack these up. This right here is going to be the size of all the bolts that are going to come in the kit. They give you a bunch of different options, and I do love that they are stainless steel. They're high quality, very durable, and I definitely recommend this if you are looking for some miscellaneous nuts and bolts for some DIY jobs or just something handy to have in the garage. Would make a great Father's Day gift, birthday, Christmas gift. I highly recommend this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.